Welcome back to Get English Fit. Prepositions of time help us to understand when something takes place. Today we are looking at the prepositions of time at, in and on. We use the preposition at with specific times, such as 4 o'clock or 8 p.m. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. We use at with midday, which means 12 o'clock in the middle of the day. We also use at with midnight, which means 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. Some people have lunch at midday. I sometimes go to bed at midnight. We use at with meal times: breakfast time, lunch time, supper time. Students at university often meet their friends at lunchtime. At night. The streets are usually very quiet at night. At the weekend. Do you work at weekends? Note, in British English we say at the weekend, but in American English they say on the weekend. We use at for festivals and celebrations which continue for a number of days. At Easter, the period of Easter. At Christmas, the period of Christmas. I love spending time with my family at Christmas. Use on with days of the week. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. This week I have a meeting on Thursday. We use on to talk about a day and the specific part of the day. On Monday morning, on Tuesday afternoon, on Wednesday evening. He has a doctor's appointment on Friday morning. We use on with dates. On the 15th of March. On the 21st of January. The school is having an open day on the 19th of May. We use on with specific days. On my birthday, on St. Valentine's Day, on Easter Day, on Christmas Day. There are a lot of fireworks on New Year's Eve. We use in with parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Sophie studies English in the afternoon. We use in with months of the year. In January, in February, in March. It is usually very cold in January. We use in with years. In 1972, in 2000. He was born in 1990. We use in with a decade. A decade is a period of 10 years. In the 1970s or in the 70s. Notice we use the. In the 1970s or in the 70s. There were some fantastic music groups in the 60s. We use in with centuries. A century is a period of 100 years. In the 16th century. In the 17th century. The castle was built in the 14th century. We use in with the seasons. In the spring, in the summer, in the autumn, in the winter. The sea is usually warm in the summer. It is important to know that we don't use prepositions of time with the following expressions. Next week, next month, next year. I will see you next week. Last night, last week, last month, last year. They went to Japan last year. This morning, this afternoon, this evening, this week, this month, this year. She is working from home this morning. Every day, every week, every month, every year. They go swimming every week. Now you can practice. Complete the sentences using the prepositions of time at, in, and on. In England, the shops usually close 5:30. In England, the shops usually close at 5:30. It sometimes snows. The winter. It sometimes snows in the winter. It's his birthday. Saturday. It's his birthday on Saturday. Many people decorate their homes. Christmas. Many people decorate their homes at Christmas. He has piano lessons. Wednesdays. He has piano lessons on Wednesdays. The school will be closed the 16th of November. The school will be closed on the 16th of November. The film starts 8:30. The film starts at 8:30. She was born 1974. She was born in 1974. So, when you next use prepositions of time in your language, try to think what the correct preposition of time would be in English. If you have enjoyed this lesson, please remember to like it and subscribe for more English lessons with me. I hope to see you all again very soon. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.